We are back, baby. And we are gonna kill it. Hardcore domination. Just pistols. Let's bout. I'm born ready. Sunny. Right below, make sure you follow my Twitter. We are playing.
Bottom. Go bottom, Jack.
I'm running top. So, challenge. The challenge is that we have to use pistols only. And we're gonna bounce, baby.
Pistol.
I like playing with my camera, guys. Alright, that seems about good. Beep, 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 beep. Alright, there we go. Nope, let me move it down. Pistol only. I'll start off with the M9. I'm finna go off, baby. Not playing no game. Really fast.
I'ma shoot really fast. Hey, Jack. Let them watch me shoot real fast. I wanna see how it looks on video too.
It's fast. It's modded fast.
Capture the objectives. Securing C.
They barely saw. Alright, stop bragging. Let's play some freaking Call of Duty hardcore.
C secure.
I can't even do it that fast. I don't care how hard I try.
Enemy has A.
Like, I'm trying to
I ain't mod or nothing.
Wow, I just got shot in the back.
I'm trying to make my finger twitch and it's not working. That's the only way I can go faster.
Got one. Alright, the M9 is definitely worse. You need way more hits to... No, it's not. Not on this. Oh my god, camper, dude.
C.
Yeah, you see that kid in the corner?
Contact. Enemy has C.
Dude, I just got melted.
Quiet for us. Like, you got pictures.
I know, I'm doing
Securing
it
Alpha.
because of the,
He does it so his
my YouTube thing's not that loud.
Enemy
Yeah.
SATCOM spotted.
Dude, I'm 2 and 5. Alright,
At least go a little.
pretty hard. This is harder than the last game.
Enemy
Getting
SATCOM spotted.
pwned in the butthole.
Oh fuck, there's a lot of them. Ooh, fuck, there's a lot of them, Taylor.
Nah, dude, don't do it. M9's worse. Alright. Yeah, it takes like maybe 2 hits.
SATCOM uplink enabled.
Fuck.
Alright. Go. Bounce. Let me go off.
Securing B.
Fuck, bro, I need to go back. I need to go back.
Alright, let's go.
I'll give him skills. The only thing is they know these pistols.
Oh, double kill.
Yeah, but we're still doing. I'm doing okay.
I should do dual wield pistols just because
Because
I'm going 5 and 6.
I was thinking about dual wheel at first, but then I was like, nah, not as accurate.
Securing B.
Check out your
I
back.
just got my off the grid.
B secure.
There is another one somewhere.
Losing A.
I can't find him.
We lost A.
I don't want to get on the
Enemy has
flag
Alpha.
because...
Yeah, come back here and take C with me.
Oh, wait, hold on. I'm waiting for this guy to just this guy
Yeah. So C secure.
Yeah.
This is a ride shield. It's a squad mate. I'm not challenging him. Slide. Oh, thank God. I used Taylor as a human body shield.
tried to.
Alright, I'm 11 and 7 right now. I'm not doing bad. Oh, there's only 2 people on the other team. I just died from
Securing Alpha.
What? Bro, I barely fell off something and it killed me because.
I got killed by a
Securing Alpha.
Let's go. There's only 2 kids left.
All points held. Defend your positions.
I don't know who you are, so I'm gonna have to mute you, pal. I don't want you in the video, you piece of crap. Alright, well there's only 1 kid left. This video really gone south. Because, like, no one.
I think they quit because of our awesomeness skills.
Yeah.
Losing Alpha.
We're gonna have to go. No, I got it.
Let 'em
Oh,
We lost Alpha.
and he was just streaming this.
Enemy
Alright, we're gonna have to.
Alpha.
I think this is gonna have to be turned into a 2-thing episode. Just because there's
All
only
points
3
held.
people
Defend
in
your
this game.
positions.
Oh, I guess.
Enemy
do
SATCOM spotted.
you.
Uh-oh. More people.
There is more of them.
Oh fuck, they're a clan.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, full clan.
Losing Charlie.
Got 1. Climbing up.
Might be a little bit
Oh,
of
well.
a challenge.
Plans don't mean anything. Let's bounce.
Losing A.
I'm in a party.
Heads up! Shooters on the cameras! Losing A.
Where no one's
Lost
going to be.
Alpha.
Oh, I thought that was a guy. Oh, that's
Enemy has
good.
Alpha.
I hear gunfire. Check this out. Oh, I just got absolutely destroyed.
Securing Alpha.
Oh, I was gonna knife him.
Friendly Oracle overhead. All points held. Defend your positions.
Not me. There was another one.
Losing B. We lost Bravo.
Oh, I'm
Enemy has
still gonna kill
Bravo.
these kids at Bravo. Got 1. Oh. There's 1 like that.
Losing A. We lost A.
I don't know.
Enemy has Alpha.
15 and 12 right now.
Enemy SATCOM spotted.
Oh, I'm flanking this kid. LMG. Got him.
Securing B. Losing C.
Oh, I accidentally dropped my piece.
Securing B.
Oh, there. Okay. They all left. This will have to be another episode. No. I'm saying we have to make another episode after this.
Oh,
'Cause there's like,
okay.
this is gonna be an easy game.
Securing Bravo. Alpha secure.
There is more soon to come.
All points held. Defend your positions.
Why can't I find
Why
any
can't
of
I
them?
find any of them? Because everyone left except for that same dude again.
The whole clan. That's how scared they are. That's right, I'm calling you out, clan that was just here.
They're all
You won't be able to
leaving.
be heard in the video.
They're all leaving.
No, they can hear me during.
They're all. I'm not doing a lot. Aww.
I know. Did
He
you?
just
Oh,
got decimated. I'm
Here we go. Here we go.
out of ammo. I need to pick up a gun. I'm just doing it. M27. I have to.
Friendly Oracle online. Losing
Here, watch me
Bravo.
kill these guys on B.
Losing Alpha.
I got him! Wall bang, baby!
Off the grid.
Woo!
Securing B.
They left.
They left.
Yo, let's go ahead and let
Points held. Defend your positions.
Jeez, I can.
These guys suck.
I want to jump off the map. Okay.
Hey, Verge.
Yeah.
Can I shoot you in the
Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, this match was a mess. He wasn't here nearly half the match, and he sucks. So after this, I'll just take you right in the next. Oh, Oracle mode. I see you. Hey, 3 kills.
I want the last kill, dude.
Let's go, baby.
Nice work, team.
Another video is coming. No. I'm doing this all in one video.
Oh, okay.
OBS, I'm zooming in.
Should I back out?
Should I back out and go get into a new lobby?
Can we do S&D?
Rockin' Man. Heard it's gonna be a long, long time. I'm a rockin' man. Let's bounce.
Smaller map. Top small.
Rockin' Man. Heard it's gonna be a long, long time.
We're gonna go against a clan. Who cares? Shut up, Taylor.
Rocket Man. Heard it's gonna be a. Alright, guys, this is episode number 2 of. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna ask your mom to stop cooking next to the mic. Roasted.
Who's he saying that to?
Hardcore domination.
Alright, I'm gonna wait for someone to cross the sea because I know they're gonna do that. Alright, I got you, doggy. Watch this. I'm gonna get a kill. Just like sitting right here.
Securing C.
Hold on. Waiting for another one. Is there another one?
Secure.
I'm gonna challenge
We're in
him.
the lead.
No, I hear one.
Enemy has A.
Oh, there's one waiting for me. There's another one. Hold on, there's more. Oh, there's one coming on the right, on the right. Yo, we got the spawn trap. Here, don't push in me.
Securing A.
Oh, we're losing C.
Losing C.
People is last.
A secure.
This is gonna be a good. This is gonna be
Alright, push in me.
game right here.
We lost Alpha. Enemy has A. Losing C. Losing Charlie.
Oh, I can't challenge.
We
Oh,
lost C. Enemy has Charlie.
what up?
We lost the lead.
What?
I almost got a quad.
I almost got a quad feed.
Securing A.
I almost got one though.
A secure.
Oh, triple kill!
Oh,
Hold up.
No.
Now that was the one quad.
Oh, that timing! Oh, man, that timing was awful. Oh, that was awful timing.
Losing B. Enemy SATCOM spotted. We're in the lead. We lost Bravo.
There's
Enemy has B.
Yo, if we can get C, dude,
We've
we can
lost
get
the lead.
contract.
Securing C.
Brother. Yeah, there's one camping C, and he's behind the statue.
Losing Alpha.
Oh, and I got killed. Look at Alpha.
We lost Alpha.
Oh! Oh, there's one on A. Crap.
Enemy has C. Losing
Oh, watch
Alpha.
it.
Lost A.
Alright, who's
Charlie
in
secure.
here that I have to mute?
Enemy has
They're really getting it on. Alright. Yo,
Losing Charlie.
bounce. map like a real G. Oh, and I get killed.
Jack.
Losing Charlie.
Taylor sucks.
We lost C. Secure.
Teammate walked in the way of my tomahawk.
Fuck you, squad man.
Some dude in this bar is waiting for me. I don't know.
Securing B.
Kill.
Rocket.
Off the grid.
Oh, squad members. Oh, I couldn't get out of there.
We lost Charlie. Enemy has C.
You got hit. Oh, maybe. So, ladies and gentlemen, we were just playing kills. We're not actually going for the win. You want to see how many kills we can get? Oh, I choked. Just improving my trigger finger.
Securing A. Enemy controlled Oracle. Watch your 6. Securing A. A secure. Losing B. Losing B.
Oh, I hate you.
Lost Bravo. Enemy has B.
I was going for the throwing knife though.
Securing B.
Here.
Enemy controlled Oracle. Watch your 6.
Triple kill. Oh. Wait, what? Oh, this one going to be.
Oracle overhead. Losing B. Losing Alpha.
Come on, Roman.
We lost A.
I'll stick B.
Enemy has Alpha.
Oh, dude, my controller's running out of battery. No. No more vibration. Hold on, I'm gonna put some new ones in. Hold on.
Oh, they got lost some shipment.
Losing Charlie. We lost Charlie. Enemy has Charlie.
Alright, these might be some old controllers. I don't know. Or old battery. Yeah, they're old. I'm not getting any vibration.
Securing Alpha.
Oh crap! I need batteries. Oh wait, I'm finna go. Wait, I'm finna go steal my sister's. Hold up. Ooh. Hold up. You're back. YouTube.
Securing C.
Anna, did you get the batteries? I told you to. Alright, I got some batteries.
Securing A.
And they work.
Nice. Whoever
Alright, let's go.
Tomahawk kill Taylor.
And I got it. Bounce. Well, Hannah, I took your batteries, so. Let's go. You'll be right.
Securing Alpha.
Triple kill. Let's go. Oh, dude, there's the quad and I choked.
Had a quad or you?
I almost had 5.
My tomahawks are almost killing people.
gonna go for knives.
Securing Charlie.
I'm going for knives.
Securing C. Charlie secure. Losing B.
Oh shoot, there's a dog, dude. Those things creep me
Losing
out.
Charlie. We lost C. Enemy has C.
Oh.
Off the grid. We're failing, squad.
Ugh. Bounce. Oh, dude. Give me a knife. Give me a knife right now. Right now. Come on. Wait. Come on. Come on. Someone come in. Someone come on in.
Watch your six.
Fuck you all.
Come on in. Come on. I'm waiting for someone to...
Enemy Oracle inbound.
Taylor. Shut up.
An IED.
Fuck you, ass.
Friendly Oracle online.
Da 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 da.
Carefully, right?
Let me stop.
Securing A.
Not happy with that.
I'm going positive. I like this. I'm going for knives.
Enemy Hind incoming. Securing Alpha. Friendly Oracle online. Alpha secure.
Oh, what?
Careful.
Damn it, Taylor.
I got the 40 bomb. I've got the 40 bomb. And I'm gonna get killed from the battle behind. Oh no, I got.
Nope, it went down.
Alright, bro.
Oh, damn, I was the last.
Oh, damn, I'm gonna be the last kill, probably.
Losing Bravo.
Alright, let's go. Alright, thanks. Please like, favorite, comment, subscribe, guys.
I didn't see